Evet, bugün neredeyiz? Bugün Edirne'de, Meriç Denizi kenarı Menemen keyfi yapıyoruz. Evet, hadi bakalım başlayalım.
But now we're miles away. Sometimes I couldn't breathe so effortlessly. You left me with nothing. Someday you took my voice, the power of my melodies. I knew that this was the day. And then you took my phone to say that I'm better off running miles away. I couldn't breathe so effortlessly. You left me with nothing. Power of my melodies, power of my melodies, power of my melodies.